Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, November the 16th. We quickly jump to our news reports for this week as we prepare. Here, what we have on the calendar today. Nothing on the calendar for today, but tomorrow we start obviously with OPEC meetings. They may or may not impact us. Eventually, we go into retail sales in the early morning. Nothing Wednesday, and of course, a very light week actually. Philly Fed report, unemployment claims, and of course, the GD20 meetings begin on Saturday. So nothing to be too concerned about in reference to news. But this morning, boom, 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 another big rally based on the speculation from Moderna, another one of the pharmaceutical companies, making some pretty interesting claims. Moderna Pharma has claimed a 94.5% efficacy on its trials. And the good thing about this particular one, it has a refrigerated storage life of 30 days. So that's very important in order to move the vaccine around. They're going through the process of trying to get the trials passed through the FDA as soon as possible to get this into the hands of people. So the stock is soaring today. And of course, remember last week, we had the other rally. This was last week's rally based on the drug information. This is this week's rally. Notice how, today's beginning rally. Notice how we broke through this double top. Remember, we had spoken about this here before, this triple top actually here. I also reminded you to, when you're in a market that's moving in a particular direction and you start consolidating, notice always the support. So here you have a double top, double bottom. Market breaks a double bottom on Friday, expecting continuation, and there's a continuation today. So we'll see how much of this information and how much gas this information has moving the market forward. Now, in regards to our market and our technical look at the market, let's quickly jump to one of our other time frames. And here's where we are right now. Remember, we had this huge compression coming from this area here. Market moving up. Eventually, the market breaks clear below that, starts to consolidate between these two areas here. And we had talked about on Friday, what do we expect in this market? What do we want to see? We want to see a break above this resistance or a break below this support. And what we're getting today is a clear break above the resistance. Now, where's the market going next? When in doubt, just look left. Just when in doubt, look left. Right now, we're testing this particular price action area here. Eventually, we're going to get into these areas here and ultimately to the all-time high. We'll see how it goes. The key is have a plan and stick to the plan. If the market wants to retrace, it can take it all back in a blink of an eye, and there's your new risk. That would be your new support. Remember, when markets break key areas, they tend to retrace back to them to retest them, this time as support or used to be resistance. So that is a potential scenario today. Move a little sideways today, or eventually try to run up and test the highs. We'll see what happens. Remember the rally from Monday, it took it all back the same day. Let's look at another time frame here so we can get a better idea of what we're going to be doing this morning. Again, here is Friday's intraday high and low. We do have a gap that developed here in the pre-market. Here is this trend line here that we're expecting. The market can potentially come all the way down here if it needs to. But right now, we have another trend line that's more immediate where the market seems to be respecting. Market runs up, consolidates, clearly breaks up above news. Market comes down once again, very similar to Monday, trying to find a clear support. It's using this former area of resistance now as support. It's tested it twice, and it's trying to make a continuation from there. So what are we expecting today? Any immediate runs down will come down potentially to this area here to see if they can find support. Support holds, expect more continuation to the downside. Support fails, market is going to come and try to retest this area here. Those are our plans for this morning. Stick to your plans, plan your trade and trade your plan, and remember, always place your stops first. Take care. Let me know if you have any questions.